We want to make sure that every customer gets the best experience possible, and streamlining that process, as Dealertrack does, ensures that that customer gets just that. One of the things that Dealertrack allows us to do is inspect what we expect. Dealertrack has what's called the Open Track platform. We didn't really realize how important that was to our dealership until we acquired our Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram store that's 15 miles away. What it's allowed us to do is to integrate that store in with our store here at the Highlands, as well as integrate several third-party vendors. A very, very seamless installation, which allowed us to manage both operations from one location. So if I'm in Glendale or a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram store and we have something come up in Honda, it's very easy for me just to log in and help with that situation. One of the great things about Dealertrack is its flexibility when it comes to setting up a new sales manager's office, or in our case, when we purchased the Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram store in Glendale, we were up and operational in almost no time. Very, very flexible. Ease of use is second to none. With over 30 years in this business, I've seen a lot of changes in technology, going from having entire rooms dedicated to your DMS system to now having a PC-based system that allows us to operate multiple franchises. Dealertrack has always been and will continue to be on the cutting edge of technology.